everyone, my name is Siddhi and welcome to the new episode of the Property Advisor. Today I am standing at the Khargar's most beautiful high-rise tower, the Navi Mumbai's tallest G plus 53, the Persian jewel of Khargar, none other than Arihant Alishan. So this is your Persian-like inspired architecture with domed lobbies, beautiful mirrors and high-rise landmark tower. So let me take you to the tour of your 2 BHK flat. So this is the huge living area and a huge balcony with the view of mountains. Followed by your kitchen. Usually we have seen small and congested kitchen spaces, but we provide you a big kitchen area. And then the common bedroom. I know what you are waiting for, so let me show you your master bedroom. The attached toilet, washroom. The most important thing which everyone is waiting for is the carpet area and the pricing. So the carpet area which we are providing you is of 830 and pricing are starting at just 1.15 CR plus taxes. So let me show you a beautiful and massive 3 BHK with the carpet area of 1139. So first come and take the view from the living area. The view was absolutely stunning, I know. So let me show you the kitchen as well. Here is your kitchen and you also get a huge balcony with kitchen as well. So let me show you the common bedroom. And the view, oh my god, it's just amazing. Done with the common bedrooms. So let me show you your beautiful master bedrooms. This is your first master bedroom. A cup of tea, morning sunrise and again a beautiful view. Not just this much. We do not end here, but we also have a washroom and a bathroom. And the wait is finally over. We also have the second master bedroom with again a very beautiful view. Not just a common washroom or bathroom, but a jacuzzi. As you can see, behind me is the beautiful clubhouse where the 90% work is done and the amenities which we are providing is just mind-blowing. We are providing you with rain, arena, gym, garden, park, cafe and the list goes on. Not just this much, but the possession will be delivered to you by the December and it's beautiful and every day is a resort-like theme structure. So if we talk about the connectivity, just besides the project we have Ammandoot metro station at the distance of 2 minutes, at the distance of 3 minutes we have expressway And just outside the property, we have hospital, Sai Sanjeevani Hospital. So now we are standing at the most beautiful ISKCON temple of Kharghar, which is just at a distance of 10 minutes from the property. Not just this much, but we also have golf course, Central Park near the property, and the second most big hospital in Kharghar, that is the Tata Hospital. Also, we have upcoming BKC, and we also have Kharghar railway station nearby. So to know more details and to know the pricings, contact Property Advisor and make your site visit today. Thank you.